Hello, I'm Richard Fulford of fishlife.co.uk. I wanted to show everybody how to backflash a FiltoClear on a garden pond. So this is the pond. This is the filter. It's a pressurised filter. It's made by Oase. This is a FiltoClear 16,000 set. And I'm going to demonstrate how to backflush the muck in the foams to waste. I'm just going to move this over to my left hand. So, note at the bottom here, you've got this blanking cap, okay? This blanking cap should only be hand tight. So the first thing we'll do is remove that. That comes off. And there's going to be a little dribble of water that comes out now. That's normal. Put the blanking cap to the side, and then we take this. This is just a length of hose. It can be a couple of meters, it can be 10 meters. And on the end, you've got a hose tail. Now this hose tail comes with the filter set when you buy the filter set. The hose tail goes into the flexible hosing. This is the flexible hosing. I'm using a Jubilee clip just to keep it attached. And then this locking nut connects to here, just like the blanking cap. Okay, screw that on. This is the discharge pipe. And you'll see what happens in a moment. So we screw that on. Okay, here's the pipe. And there's the end of the pipe. And you can point that, there it is. You can point that in the direction that you want the dirty water to go. Right, back to the filter. So this is a FiltoClear 16,000 set. You do not need to switch the pump off or the ultraviolet clarifier. Here, there's some information. It tells you what to do. This twist grip, this blue valve or dial, is currently in the filter position. You turn it anti-clockwise and anti-clockwise only anti-clockwise. That's really important. If you go the other way, you could damage the valve inside. Very important. So we turn it from this position, which is position 1, to position 2. Straight away, water starts coming out of the end of the hose. But what we do, I hope you can see this, is we pump up and down on here. Now this was only done a couple of days ago, but as I pump up and down on here, can you see this? I need an assistant. As I pump up and down on here, it's removing the silt in the foams. Remember, the silt is generated by the fish in fecal matter, and that's all being pumped to waste out through there. And it's coming out pretty clear, and that's because the foams are clear at the moment. Once that's running clear, you turn it, the dial, to the next position. Okay, click. All right, and that's position 3. What that does is it cleans out all the muck from inside the ultraviolet clarifier. We're still losing water to waste, okay? Once that's running clear, we can then turn it back to the original position. Position 1, position 2, position 3. Always anti-clockwise. If you go to pull up the handle and there's a lot of resistance, that indicates that the foams are particularly clogged. One difference which I feel I need to point out is this is actually clear and colourless in the kit. The hose tail that's provided in the kit is clear and colourless, so this becomes a window so you can see the water the dirty water as it's being pumped to waste in this direction, and you can watch this until it runs clear. When that runs clear, you know that you've cleaned through the foams sufficiently. Right, I'm Richard Fulford. I hope that's helped. Let me know put comments at the bottom and let me know if this has been useful. www.fishlife.co.uk